In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in CosmoLex. Now to do this, first you want to open your dashboard, you want to go to Matters over here on the left, and then first you want to select your matter over here. So if you of course see a list, you simply want to click on the name of your matter. I have this tutorial demo one in here, so I'm going to click on it, and then from here you want to go to the Billing tab, which is the third one. So click on Billing, and then from here you want to switch over to Invoice, which is going to be the second tab under here. Now from here, to actually create a new invoice, you want to click on the add button here in the top. So click on that, and then from here, as you can see, you're adding a single invoice, and of course you can go and type in the number, the invoice date, the due date as well, and then of course you have the unbilled time or expense throughout. Okay, so over here you can of course select this, and you'll be able to basically add time or expenses to include down here. So I'm just gonna go and of course, for example, select something completely random over here just for this tutorial, and I'm going to do like 1 hour over here, and the rate price I'm going to do 50 and hit this save button down here. And of course you can add as many things as you want over here. Then you can preview your invoice and generate it with the click of this button top right, and that's really all you have to do to create an invoice in CosmoLex. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.